On February 1st, the entire nation and the world will be tuned in as Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman takes center stage. The Union Budget 2025 is not just another policy announcement, it's India's AI budget. With the country's economy standing at $3.7 trillion, the government is expected to double down on AI, semiconductor manufacturing, and digital transformation to propel the next phase of Indian growth. Finally, and it's about time, India is making a bold move to become a global AI superpower. Very recently, Union IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav said that India is developing homegrown AI models, free from Western or Chinese influence. To kick off, experts suggest that India needs a separate national AI fund, allocating about 300 crore INR investment over 3 years. This will signal a commitment to AI built for national strength and not just profit. This is obviously less compared to US's Stargate project, which has invested close to $500 billion, while China is aggressively pushing AI dominance. But in spite of that, this can be a good start to make India an AI-first economy. But that is just the beginning. Beyond AI, there is going to be the deep tech revolution as well. The budget is set to fuel semiconductors that will power AI, wearables, and IoT. The semiconductor industry is set to be a key highlight of Union Budget 2025, with expectations of massive funding and policy incentives to accelerate India's journey towards self-reliance. Last year's 6,903 crore INR allocation to semiconductor and display manufacturing was a step forward. But industry leaders argue that a lot more is needed. Startups and investors are looking for AI-focused policies that will encourage venture capital in AI innovation, provide tax breaks for R&D, and AI developments that incentivize deep tech entrepreneurship. With global VC firms betting big on AI, the right policies can make India the next AI startup hub, and India has all the talent in the world to become that. With Tier 1 cities reaching saturation, will Budget 2025 push GCC expansion into Tier 2 hubs as well? Taxation, the big question for India's workforce, and especially the young workforce. With rising costs and financial pressures, will Budget 2025 finally bring relief? Let's talk about the key expectations. A revised income tax slab, higher home buyer deductions, investment incentives for wealth growth. A youth-centric budget is key to retaining top talent and driving innovation. This budget can quite literally define a generation. This isn't just about tax cuts or policies. It's about India's place in the AI revolution in the world. As Nirmala Sitharaman presents India's AI budget, one question remains. Will this be the year that India cements its place as the world's AI powerhouse? We are about to find out. For more real-time insights, think AI, think AIM. And tune in to AIM Media House tomorrow, that is 1st of February, because we will bring you a live coverage of the budget the entire day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.